Welcome to Math Tutorials. In this video, we are solving every question of the miscellaneous exercise on Chapter 13, Probability, from the NCERT Mathematics textbook for Class 12, Part 2. This is the final exercise of the Class 12 course. The miscellaneous exercise on Chapter 13 has 13 questions: subsets and disjoint events, the two children puzzle, gray hair and heart attacks by Bayes, right-handed counting, the leap year, random determinants, and 3 multiple choice. Here they are. Question 1 of the Chapter 13, Miscellaneous. 2 extreme relationships between events. Subset in Part 1, disjoint in Part 2. Part 1, if A sits inside B, the intersection is all of A, so the conditional is P of A over P of A. 1. Part 2, disjoint events share nothing. The conditional is 0. Question 2. The two children puzzle returns in mirror image. Careful counting separates the two parts. Part 1, at least one male leaves boy by, boy girl girl by. Both male is one of 3, a third. Part 2, elder a girl leaves girl girl and girl boy. Both girls is one of 2, a half. Question 3. Gray hair as Bayesian evidence. Equal priors, very unequal rates. The gray hair paths carry a half times 0.05 and a half times 0.0025. Bayes, 500 over 525, is 20 over 21. Question 4. 10 independent people, counted from first principles. At most 6 right-handed, means the complement of 7 or more. For any particular set of R people right-handed, and the rest not, independence gives 0.9 to the R times 0.1 to the 10 minus R. And there are 10 choose R such sets. At most 6 is 1 minus the probability of 7 or more. 1 minus the sum from R equals 7 to 10. Question 5. 366 days, 52 weeks and 2 spare days. The 2 extra days decide everything. The 2 consecutive extra days form one of 7 equally likely pairs, and Tuesday appears in exactly 2 of them, Monday, Tuesday, and Tuesday, Wednesday. 2/7. Question 6. 4 boxes, 1 red marble. Each box gives red at its own rate. Red rates 1/10, 6/10, 8/10, and 0. With priors a quarter, the total red probability is 15/40. Bayes for each box: 1/15 for A, 6/15, 2/5 for B, and 8/15 for C. Question 7. 2 treatments, 2 reduced risks. An attack happened. Which option was chosen? Yoga cuts the risk to 0.4 times 0.7, 0.28. The drug cuts it to 0.4 times 0.75, 0.30. With equal priors, Bayes gives 28 over 58, 14 over 29. Question 8. 16 random determinants. Positive means a D beats BC. The determinant a D minus BC is positive only when a D is 1 and BC is 0. And D both 1 and B, C not both 1, which is 3 of the 4 choices. So the probability is 3/16. Question 9. Failure probabilities of 2 subsystems. Build P of B failing first. B fails either alone or with A. 0.15 plus 0.15 is 0.3. Part 1, 0.15 over 0.3, a half. Part 2, A alone is a minus both. 0.2 minus 0.15, 0.05. Question 10. A transfer changes bag 2 before the draw. Red drawn was the traveler black. A black transfer, chance 4/7, leaves bag 2 with 4 red and 10. A red transfer 3/7 leaves 5 red in 10. Bays 16/31. Question 11, multiple choice. A conditional equal to 1. The intersection must fill A. P of B given a equal 1 forces the intersection to have the full probability of A, which happens when A lies inside B. Option A. Question 12, multiple choice. Positive association is symmetric. Cross-multiply the inequality. The hypothesis says the intersection exceeds the product. Dividing by P of A flips it into P of B given or exceeding P of B. Option C. Question 13, the final question of Class 12. Cancel and conclude. P of B equals the intersection. Canceling P of A leaves P of B equal to P of A intersect B, so P of A given B is 1. Option B. That completes the miscellaneous exercise, Chapter 13, and with it the entire NCERT Class 12 Mathematics course, Parts 1 and 2. Thank you so much for watching this series. If it helped you, do like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and share them with your classmates.